wants to go one-on-one. Or does he? Here's Sol. Pinasa. Arwin. Arwin for three. Yes, sir!
Arwin's playing an excellent game. 21 points for Arwin Santos.
Ano yan, ha? Mula simula. From the get-go.
Actually, he started the game with a dunk.
Ama, yes. And I started with 6 straight points.
Yeah, and the Smart All-Stars countered with about 20 dunks.
About 19 and a half mula kay Javel McGee. Arwin, Pinasa, Larry. Good pass para kay Arwin Santos. I mean, how many times can you say na ikaw si Arwin, nakascore ako laban kay Kevin Durant? Gaano mo kadalas pwede sabihin yun sa buong buhay mo, ano? And here's Derek Williams getting a nice pass mula kay Chris Paul. Ikaw ba, Jimmy, are you excited? Ikaw ba ay, ano ba, anxious ka na ba para bukas?
It's going to be a great opportunity to be playing for our national team against these quality type players. It's going to be a great afternoon tomorrow.
Are you more looking forward to scoring against these guys or getting dunked on by JaVale McGee?
I'm definitely going to be aware of where JaVale McGee is tomorrow.
Kasi para iiwas ka na.
Wala naman problema pag tumalon sa iyo yun eh.
Almost but not quite. Para kay Kevin Durant. 4:42 remaining. At ito, timeout po requested by PBA All-Stars head coach John Reyes. And the crowd continues to chant. Well, you can hear what they're chanting, and you know what they want. We'll be back.
Want to be
back inside the Smart Araneta Coliseum sa pagpapatuloy ng fourth and final quarter. Fingers business, David.
Arwin Santos.
Kasi yata maging all-star MVP ni Arwin Santos. Hinahabol pa eh. May hinahabol to 25 points for Arwin. Here's Derek Williams. Kick out para kay Chris Paul. And that's a miss. Gary David. Akala yata ni Gary David, kakapin niya si Javel McGee. Wrong team. Kevin Durant ngayon, may tanga ng bola.
That's gotta be one of the ugliest alley-oop passes I've ever seen. Two hands na parang isang metro lang ang layo ng dalawa.
Under 4 minutes remaining, and Larry gets the layup.
Larry Boschel.
Alam mo, balita ko we are being watched by sports writers even from the United States. So, welcome guys, and we hope you're enjoying basketball Philippine style. This is how much the Philippines love basketball. And here's Durant and the guys here, the All-Stars from the US, loving every second and every minute of it.
Kaya pala pumupukpok si Arwin. Nag-a-apply sa abroad. Kaya gusto mag-MVP.
Ito isang napakagandang Maynila 3-point shot mula kay Arwin Santos. Miko Alili kasama pa rin Jimmy Alapagan, Jason Webb. Also joining us, Magu Marjon and Angelicopter.
And I just heard na mutik daw ma-overweight si Kevin Durant.
Bakit? Sa airport.
Airport. Dahil yung ginamit niya naman na bagahe.
Ginawa niya backpack.
Yung backpack parang na ginagamit niya.
Chris Paul with a nifty move. At score po natin 127-99. Less than 3 minutes remaining dito po sa fourth and final quarter. And Sol Mercado trying to shake off Paul. Mercado, Pinasa, Fingris, Pinasa, Gary David. Gary David goes in. Kailangan there. Ako si Maggie nandiyan na ulit.
Kailangan ipasa dahil may rest back na gitna.
Oh no. Here's Paul. That was intended for McGee. And it's Gary David. Hinahabol ni Tyreek Evans. And Gary David.
Like I said, for all the guys that like to play in the open court, si Gary David #1.
I want to say that this event is unmatched, unparalleled, at hindi na mauulit Hindi na maulit sa bukas eh. Alauna po ng hapon. Dito pa rin sa Big Dome. Here's Jason Castro outside Sol Mercado. 2 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter.
Steve Brothers.
Kevin Durant. Oh! The James Harden.
James Harden's got 33 points.
Here's Castro.
Jason Castro.
Jason Castro's fourth point. Chris Paul with 9 points. Oh. Kevin Durant with a miss. Durant with 22. And I don't know what Sol Mercado had in mind really. Hindi ko, sorry po hindi ko po alam anong plano niya doon. Pasensya na.
I think that was an alley to my teammate Larry Conisher.
See, that's exactly what we were saying. When did Larry ever get an alley-oop?
Tonight might have been the first.
JaVale McGee, by the way, with 25 points. I think 26 coming from dunks. Under a minute remaining in this sports spectacular. A lot of memories made in this game. At ito na, paubos ang oras dito. Kevin Durant holding on to the basketball. Great first half mula kay Kevin Durant. 20 points in the first 2 quarters. See, I really don't know what anong plano ni Sol Mercado. And here we go. JaVale McGee. Oh! Maybe we should give him 2 basketballs. Maybe we should extend the time because he missed.
I'm sure people would want that one.
Alam namin, the feeling is that you hope a game like this never ends, but it has to. The memories will never end, I'm sure. Para po sa mga nanood dito sa loob ng Big Dome, para po sa mga nanood sa Active on IBC, para sa mga naglaro, para sa mga VIP, katulad ni dating Pangulong Joseph Estrada, para sa aking mga katabi, Jimmy Alapag and Jason Webb. This is quite an experience of a lifetime. Ang final score po natin sa Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend Part 1, 131-105. Jimmy, your thoughts?
Unbelievable show by the Smart All-Stars and also the PBA All-Stars. Again, it was just a great night for Philippine basketball, and we still have one more day to look forward to.
Nico, when you look at the score, Smart All-Stars 131, PBA All-Stars 105, you'll say panalo ang Smart All-Stars dahil nanalo sila sa putos. Pero sa katulutuluhan, panalo po Pilipinas dahil dumating ang mga All-Stars, mga sikat na manlalaro. Napanood ng live dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum at napanood nyo rin dito sa Active on IBC.
At kilalanin natin ang ating Metro Pacific Tollways, or alamin natin ang ating Metro Pacific Tollways fast break play. Tapos si Gary David. Yan ang Metro Pacific Tollways fast break plays sa game po natin. We'll be back with more from the Big Dome. Matapos ang ilang paalala. Okay, ito po ang final score. Smart All-Stars winning over the PBA All-Stars 131-105. At that was quite a show. Samantala, ito po ang ating Felix Best Player of the Game. At pati na rin ang ating Gatorade High Point of the Game. Tampok po. Nanay! There goes that man! JaVale McGee! With the 25 points and 1,000 slam dunks. So we'll be back with more dito sa Big Dome. Matapos ang ilang pala. Okay, nagbabalik po kami with our remaining moments po dito. Muli po, final score, 131 para sa Smart All-Stars at 105 para sa PBA All-Stars. Ang ating Felix, best player of the game, binigay po natin kay Javel Magee. 25 boards, 12 rebounds, 6 blocks. Jimmy, it was the Javel Magee show.
He put on an amazing show. He had all the fans here in the Arnetta Coliseum, the Smart Arnetta Coliseum, rocking.
What is
right
that
from
move? Ano yun? What is that?
Parang dugong lang eh.
Sam Felix, best player of the game. Jason, your thoughts, final thoughts dito sa naganap no na Smart Ultimate Weekend. Part 1 pa lamang to.
It was definitely an ultimate experience for us and for the fans that are here today. But let's give credit to the fans na nagpunta dito. Pumila sila ng ilang oras para makapasok dito. They came in maybe about 6 hours earlier. Under the rain, pumipila na sila. They got here, but it was worth it because the PBA All-Stars and the Smart All-Stars gave them a show that was definitely an ultimate dream.
Show to remember. Pero part 1 po lamang to ng Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend. Jimmy, bakit di mo imbitahin ang mga basketball fans no na manood sa Active at panoorin yung laban bukas? Smart All-Stars versus Smart Gilas.
Yes, to all the fans here in Manila, sana kita tayo bukas here at 1 p.m. The Smart Gilas against the Smart All-Stars. So we're looking forward and sana kita tayo dito sa Smart Arnetta Coliseum.
At kitang-kita mo na yung kumpiyansa ni Jimmy dahil napanood niya na yung kalaban niya.
Na-scout na po.
Na-scout niya na.
Na-scout na.
Oo, kinakausap kami ni Jimmy eh. Sabi niya, kayang-kaya na namin yan. Napanood na namin. May game tape na daw sila.
Sabi ni Jimmy sa amin ni Jason, you know guys, my man, tatauhin ko, Javel Magee. Ako babansay dyan. Sabi ni Jimmy kanina, bukas po yan, alauna, ang telecast po natin is 5:30 po ng hapon. At wag po natin kakalimutan, we have a big fight tomorrow, Jason. Big fight po to Amir King Khan going up against Zab Judah. 10:30 po ng umaga sa TV5 at sa Action Channel 41 para sa ating big time bakbakan. That's a great fight. At tapos po sa hapon, mapapanood niyo po part 2 ng Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend. The Smart All-Stars, Kobe, Kevin Durant, D. Rose, CP3, Tyreek, Javel Magee, and the rest of the guys going up against our men's national team, ang Smart Gilas. We hope you enjoyed our live coverage mula sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. This was unreal. It is unmatched and unparalleled. We've had other American basketball stars come over, but not this way, not like this, not this way. Talaga pong kakaiba ang naging karanasan ng mga nanood dito ngayong gabi. And I look forward to the big crowd again tomorrow. Kobe Bryant pleased with what he sees. Sabi ni Chris Paul, siya mismo ay nagulantang sa init ng pagtanggap ng Filipino basketball fans. Let's do this again tomorrow, guys. Good night from the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Okay, back inside the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Lamang po na 16 ang Smart All-Stars laban sa ating PBA All-Stars 66-50. Magandang gabi po muli. Miko Alili kasama Jimmy Alapag at Jason Webb. Jimmy, the first quarter was close. It was just a 4-point game at the end of the first period. Ano nangyari nung second quarter? Why did the Smart All-Stars pull away?
Well, Kevin Durant, you know, he got the run. He got the run started. I believe he had a few fast break dunks. Then he had the back-to-back threes, and it really just made the Smart All-Star team get going offensively.
Kevin Durant, 11 points in the second quarter, and 20 points at the end of the first. At nagulat nga tayo, Jason, but I mean, that just speaks volumes ng firepower, no, ng yung angat, no, sa galing ng ating mga bisita.
Unquestioned naman ang galing ng mga bisita natin. We have a couple of MVPs and obviously a couple of All-Stars as well. At nakita natin nung first quarter, feeling out period yan parang boxing. Hindi pa alam ng selection, ng Smart All-Star selection, as well as the PBA selection, kung ano magiging timplada ng laro. But then, when the Durant